In this video, I'm going to do a ball made out of wood, resin and denim using a very low viscosity resin. Hi everybody, Aaron here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would do a wood, resin, jeans, denim and wild olive. I'm going to use on this one, a very low viscosity resin that takes time to cure. Takes it about 4 days to cure, so I've got enough time to play with it. It will give me the time to put it in a vacuum pot so I can remove all the air bubbles in the denim and replace them with the resin. I'll show you every step of the way, how I made it. Quite interesting, maybe a little bit long, but it's worth your while. If you have any questions, please write them down at the comment. I will answer all of them, I promise. Every comment I'll answer. You like it or you don't like it, put your comment down and I will answer it. Thank you very much, and if you love it, subscribe. Aaron. Ready to go into the vacuum. That's my vacuum chamber. It's full with resin all the way to the top, and every time I'm adding some more resin as it goes down into the denim. It was in the pressure pot for 7 days. I left it for 7 days. I was supposed to leave it for about 5 or 6, but I was busy, so I left it over there for 7 days. The denim is hard like a rock, really hard like a rock. I had to be very careful of this. I won't cut my finger off with this sleeve. I kept all of those shavings for a future project. We'll see. I didn't throw them away. It looked quite interesting. I usually use the cheapest container I can find for those projects, and on this plastic, nothing gets stuck to it. Like really nothing. It's a little bit oily, so nothing gets stuck to it. It's really fun having this string of resin flying all over the show. I found a few small holes, and I'm using UV resin to close them because it makes it quicker. You just put few drops and with the blue light, and you close the hole. Sending 180 all the way to 400. In some area the stitches didn't got enough resin in, so I'm covering the whole ball with the resin, the normal resin that I'm using all the time, Art Expression from South Africa. It dried overnight. The slow rotation was from a motor that I made for slow speed. I'll put another video about it. I'm preparing a rim to put around the ball from the outside, and it's also wild olive. Um, Unfortunately, it broke in two places, but it's okay. I managed to glue it back with super glue. I'm using a rubber band that I cut from a piece of bicycle tube, so it will protect the inside of the rim that I left. I'll glue it to its place with super glue. I sent it from 80 to 400, and you'll see that I'm putting in two small presses. The wire came out, and I put super glue just to close this hole over there. I think it's a mistake. Next time I won't do it again. You can see they left a small mark over there that I couldn't get out of it. The same, I put the resin and I left it overnight. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.